You guys, I am craving fish.
Yes!
But I'm vegan.
No!
But I still want fish. Yes! So, you got your catfish, you got your tilapia, you got your salmon, you got all types of fish. But we about to have some vegan fried fish. So I got really excited and I started to season before I showed you guys what it looked like. But I mean, you can imagine, I'm gonna just pick one up. You can imagine, so this is what it looks like. Just imagine it without the seasoning. Kind of looks like, I don't know, it looks like a fish maybe. Very thin fish, but we're gonna fry these babies up. So I'm gonna put it in our batter and gonna fry it up. All right, so this is my batter. I added all three, mix it on up. Mix it on up. And then I have some just egg substitute. So it is made from plants and it's supposed to work just like a regular egg. So I'm just gonna add a little bit to it just before just a little bit. I'm gonna add it just to that side. And so I'm just kind of gonna grab one. Well, this is kind of falling apart, but I mean, just pick everything up, and then I am going to let it get in that, it's kind of liquidy right now, which is perfect because I want the batter to stick. So that egg and that vegan Caesar dressing is going to be helpful with that. So this is how it looks, and I'm going to add it in the batter. And just make sure I get it all over completely. And this is what it looks like. So this is the plant-based Caesar dressing I was talking about that I used. So I'm just add a little more of that to this first one. I only have a little bit, so I need to make this stretch. Come on. Come on. See? Doesn't, okay. Woo! Too much on this one. Gotta spread it out. So I got a little bit on it, and I'm just kind of gonna mat it in there pretty good so it can stay together, right? So now that I kind of have it moist and wet, I'm going to dip it back in the batter. Yeah, so squeezing it helps. It also helps to shape it, as you can clearly see. There we go. So this is what it looks like, and it kind of looks like fish. This one is a little straggler, but it's fine. And I'm just going to set that aside on a plate right here. And I'm going to do that to all of them. Voila! Looks like fish. Look at my hands. Ooh. Set that aside on the plate. All right, let's check on our oil. How do you know if it's hot? Well, listen to it. Okay, I'm low-key scared. Okay. Stop. It's not even that hot. Oh. Well, I mean, it's hot, but I want it to be like spiking hot.
A few moments later.
All right, let's try another. Nervous. Woo! Yeah, there we go. That's what I was looking for. Y'all hear that? Let me get a fork to just move them over because you don't want it to stick. Fish and fries. Yum. Okay. And voila. Your fish will be on that. Voila. Look at these lovely, 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 lovelies. Y'all, I was so excited and so hungry that I just went ahead and ate while not even showing my face on camera. So let's try this again. I already ate it, but oh. Look at the texture, man. It is so tasty. Oh. Yo, I am so excited. My fries is not the best, but hey, it's not about the fries, it's about the fish. I feel like I'm a little kid at a big table. I'm not gonna use this. Kenji, you are not gonna use this. Why are you lying to the folks? Throw that out. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Ah, look at this mess. I need somebody to clean up. Clean as you go. Mama taught you to clean as you go. Go, go.